आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई। क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 टाइम्स फिल्म देखा मदर इंडिया। कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती। अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा। अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको क्यों चेंज कर रहा है। तो I belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I started my career 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं हम लोग। ए लबाड़े पंते तारो, और इसका एक साउंड है वो अमेजन से आया।
जोरदार तालियां अलीशा के लिए लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। विद दिस मूवी क्या लग रहा है सर, कहां तक जाने वाला है और क्या होने वाला है आगे?
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like जो मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता है ना, like having that मार मुंता and having good biryani, उसके बाद double का मीठा. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya has supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th is just 7 more days.
इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है इसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट। 2019 में वी वर ब्लेस्ड विद अ ह्यूज ब्लॉकबस्टर इन तेलुगु, और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं। अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है। सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स अनिल थडानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी। दे विल हेल्प अस डू जस्टिस एंड आई होप वी हैव गुड रन इन नॉर्थ इंडिया ऑल्सो।
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently, मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखती आई हूँ। तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो टू से द लीस्ट व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक, और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया। जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं। आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो definitely मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया। I'm trembling while saying this because it's such a huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing, and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you, and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया। आपके साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मुंता मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी, एंड एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन। सो मैंने से बोला स्पिनच सूप, एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए, एंड I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is, and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best, and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Chami ma'am. She is truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman, and I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे। She should be the charan sparsh charming. That's what she is, because I really look up to her. she is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work, and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know, again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say that I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be.
What was that one thing जो सबसे आसान थी या डिफिकल्ट था संजू बाबा को कन्विंस करना टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म? Sorry? Was it like easy or?
Difficult thing is getting his dates.
And he had
working with
7
him is
films
very
lined
cool.
up.
That's why I call her the
7
go-getter
films lined
also.
up.
Oh, that's an announcement.
That
That's like
yeah.
breaking news right now.
We thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba. And 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this film, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you so
We
much.
are happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that.
Lovely. They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we love you over there, of course.
Thank you.
First pan-Indian film, officially,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say that?
yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it, everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we were able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen. And yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with double Ishmat, with double the energy and double everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're already a superstar everywhere.
Superstar in Telugu,
And
first film.
it's an honor working with you, and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, what didn't this man experience in life? You're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir, we see heroes with attitude. I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, this entire coolness came about. And so when you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. And
कैसे हैं सब लोग? मस्त है ना? तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली। पूरी सर, हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके, एंड like how Ram said that he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double I Smart Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you sir. Charmi,
सर जी,
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है।
सर जी, सॉरी।
ऐसे इन पंजाबी के परेशान बहुत किया है यार। लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus. Thank you for letting me be around.
सर जी, थैंक यू जी।
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि she's done a great job and she's looking so good. बट इसको एक चीज है, इसको कुछ मार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको यार।
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता।
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या, मैंने हाँ कुछ यहाँ पे लग गया। अब ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो। विशु, थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर एंड इसको एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ, so inspiration for you to lose some weight, you know. And of
प्रोडक्शन के
course,
इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो
and of
गया।
course Ram, you know, इतना मजा है इसके साथ काम करके। अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था, लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है छोटा सा। And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह। हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत की। I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhavi is there and Bhavi, thank you so much.
Sangeeta.
Thank you Bhavi. And बस अब उनके पास और कुछ भी नहीं है बोलने के लिए।
This story is much better than the first part, and Ram's energy is double than the first part. I can found it, and 6 songs are there, amazing songs, and NST Kavya is there, Arif sir comedy is there, and सबके ऊपर बाबा संजू बाबा is there. What else you want? It's a full entertainer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sure जवाब मिल गया होगा जया जी को। The next one is for
box office, but what, as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And yeah, and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. काम करने का a lot of people.
right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
He also played Sanju.
Right. Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. अभी आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स वो रोमांटिक भी कर रहे हैं, एक्शन भी कर रहे हैं। क्या फैंस आपको वापस रोमांस करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग बोल्ड अवतार आ गया है?
अभी रोमांस, अभी आप क्या बोलते हो? लेकिन
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे।
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लें अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर है, लेकिन हमें अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था, तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है। अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार। एक और कर लेंगे साजन।
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे।
इट इज अ गुड स्पेस टू बी इन। में बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है। अब रेप कट गया है, लेकिन वो लेकिन इट्स गुड, यू नो, आई मीन एटलीस्ट देयर इज अ लिटिल समथिंग टू डू फॉर एन एक्टर, यू नो, आफ्टर डूइंग सो मेनी फिल्म्स।
confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I definitely do.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हैं वो?
Many, but I guess for me also Ranveer Kapoor after Animal has been like a...
Right. लाइफ में कब डबल स्मार्ट बनने का ट्राई किया है? नमिता wants to know. Have you sir tried ऐसा लाइफ में डबल स्मार्ट बनने का कुछ किया हो?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो। हाँ,
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया। कितना बनूं? 45 years हो गया।
बन ही रहा हूँ तब से। For you, चामी मैम।
What is that?
डबल स्मार्ट बनने का ट्राई किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है होता है।
But as Ram Bhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Correct,
industry.
correct.
आप तो खुद में हो सर। संजू बाबा for you, डबल स्मार्ट बनने का आखिरी बार कभी ट्राई किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है। बट आई लव इट, आई मीन डबल स्मार्ट
Right.
मस्त है।
Right. Ustad for you.
Yeah, I just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Kavya.
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया, ये
No,
best है।
I am too naive. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So